Hello to all the members of Stockler. Here we are again in the warehouse for a live session. We will focus on DJI brand drones, which are the only products that the brand exclusively sells. Groover. So Groover, in 2 words, leader, one of the world leaders in renting high-tech products. The products are now fully integrated into our company. But the total it's in Germany on the border, well, very close to the Dutch border. So now we are going to focus on the batches. In this case, one of the batches, functional quality used drones for all Groover lots. And specifically for this one, you have a quality grade, and then you have 4 additional levels of information. So we're talking about whether the products, well, the aesthetic level of the products, whether the products have all their accessories, are the products in their original packaging, and is there a technical defect? Those are the 4 additional pieces of information. So we will take at random the easiest products to take of functional used quality. And here we have a drone. Here the propellers are already mounted and retracted. There you can look at the aesthetic condition. It's in very good shape. We have it's not even impacts, it's the brand. I'm looking for any defects. In any case, I don't see any apparent defects, neither dirt nor anything else. There's a little bit of dust. That's it for the drone itself. And here underneath you have the controller or the remote. Here you have the cable and the spare propellers, which seem to be brand new, even with the small screwdriver inside. I don't see a manual, however, you do have the product. So here the screen is in very good condition. Here it's just fingerprints, but the screen is absolutely in perfect condition. In this case, I see very little, well, the only signs of wear we have are here. It's very little advanced. So there you have an example of a drone in excellent condition for a used but functional quality. It's really in excellent condition. So are all the products like this? We'll look together, but mainly you'll have it in the Excel file. If we take here a slightly higher end drone, again from the DJI brand, which is, so it's going to open here, there we go, which is in its original packaging. So here you have the mask that seems to be in very good condition. Now we can see slight signs of wear, but it's not damaged. However, I don't see the strap in the back. Here, well, in any case, we have a product that is in very good condition, but you can tell it has been rented. You can feel there are small traces of wear. That's it for the drone. I mean, sorry, that's it for the VR headset. And then here you have the drone. And on this, you have, so I will see them because in this case, we opened this one earlier. The propellers are just below. So here you have the drone. Same, which looks in very good condition. I don't see any signs of wear here. And if we lift here, you have the controller. Here, similarly, it seems to be in very good condition. Well, traces of wear, a bit of dirt, but nothing too aggressive. Here you have the propellers that are still in their box. You have the manual. Here we really have a product that is 100% complete. We can find it in the offer. Then you have the other additional propellers. Rest assured, everything will be stored for the offers. And here you have, I don't know what it is. Here you have additional accessories that seem, in this case, to have never been opened. And actually, I made a mistake. The strap for the helmet is here. There you go. We might open one last one, a third one. I think it's going to be a bit complicated because everything is taped. I'm not going to open it, but in any case, here you have, for example, you can see that here, the product is not in its original packaging. You have that information in the Excel file. This one might be easier to open. No, because everything is well secured. So anyway, you have a few examples of these drones. I wish you happy bidding, and don't hesitate to ask us questions about the cat. Make sure to review your shipping quotes carefully and then closely examine the Excel file for all the details.